The Photoshop Zoom tool is a tool that you're going to use all the time, along with these other three tools here, the Move, the Hand, and the Rotate View tools. But basically, exactly what it's called, you just zoom in and out, right? You can see the arrow icon here. It's got a minus sign in there. That means you're zooming out. If you want to zoom in, you can come up to the top options and click the one with the plus icon in it, and that zooms in to wherever you're clicking. Right? Now, I never use this at all. What I do is if I'm using the brush or another tool, what I do is I just hold Alt and use your scroll wheel. Scroll out to zoom out. Scroll in to zoom in. Between this and holding the spacebar for the hand tool, this is how I zoom in and out, resize the canvas however I want it, move it around. If I want to work on this real quick, come back over here, zoom in, do what work I gotta do, hold Alt, zoom back out, hold spacebar, get the hand tool out, move back to this artboard, hold Alt again, use your scroll wheel to zoom in, hit space again, move the canvas, and there you go. That's the quickest and easiest way to rotate and move around your canvas. The rest of the top options up here, we got resize windows to fit. This just resizes the window when you're zooming. Zoom all windows. This zooms all open document windows when using this tool. So if you had multiple open documents, it's going to zoom them all at once. And then Scrubby Zoom, if you have this on. So if I have the zoom in option, if I click and drag to the right, it's going to zoom in. Click and drag to the left, it's going to zoom out. With that Scrubby Zoom. And then last but not least, we got these three options over here. Click 100% to fit it to your screen differently. You can choose fit screen. It fits all your artboards on your screen so you can see them. And then fill screen, it snaps it to a fill screen view. So that's your zoom tool in Photoshop, guys. If you got any more questions or comments, make sure to put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.